Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Hope all your brothers are doing well.
This is my reading room on the terrace. Today I am presenting this video in front of you all. This is a study room. We have decorated it as an advanced type of study room with you all, and I study in this room. And sometimes, if given the opportunity, I try to make some inspirational videos for you all so that you can inspire me for the upcoming days. I get the opportunity to make videos and speak with great joy. Today, inspired by you all, I have come this far and begin with gratitude to you. Please keep me in your prayers, all of you together. With that, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah